The entire cryptocurrency market has been stuck in this perpetual stage of fear and extreme fear for almost a year now. Since 2025, end of 2024 was the last time we saw extreme greed, and throughout all of 2025, we saw a lot of fear and extreme fear. We're facing fear and extreme fear right now in altcoins. Guys, get a load of this headline. There's a crypto ghost town going on right now. 30%, 38% of altcoins are trading below FTX crash levels or lows. And the fear is even lower than it was then as well. We're going to be talking about it in the video today, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the latest crypto news. And altcoins are taking a beating. And I think this is one of the reasons why we're seeing so much fear in the market. But of course, we're seeing so much fear in the market because prices are low as well. So, it's a chicken and the egg situation here. We're watching prices go lower because of the fear, and of course, prices going lower means more fear. So it's this endless cycle that something needs to break. Now, it says that market sentiment is bearish despite Bitcoin trading near $70,000. While the flagship cryptocurrency commands headlines with its resilience, a massive portion of the market is quietly bleeding out, especially the altcoin sector. It says, according to new data, nearly 40% of altcoins are currently trading near their all-time lows. More alarmingly, many have sunk below the prices seen during the catastrophic collapse of FTX exchange in November of 2022, including the FTX bottom. It says, Knightsons doesn't seem too excited by altcoins either. One ex-user wrote, "My altcoin portfolio is basically a meme now. My diamond hands aren't going anywhere." And that's why. That's one of the reasons why so many people are afraid. These prices are low. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they might be high. But altcoins and meme coins are being utterly destroyed at the moment. Now, do I believe that it's going to last forever? No, absolutely not. I believe there's definitely a place for altcoins, and they will rise again. We just have to get over the fear. In my opinion, we could see a historic rally in altcoins because they're so low, right? And you want to buy when prices are low, not when prices are high. It says altcoins are suffering from a liquidity drain where even minor shifts in sentiment trigger outsized sell-offs, said Jimmy Xu, co-founder of the liquidity platform Axis, in a media interview. While Bitcoin has recovered significantly from the 2022 lows, the broader market has not followed suit. Institutional money is flowing into Bitcoin via ETFs, but it's not rotating out. It says during the market cycle low of 2019 and late 2023, altcoins were declared dead right before they pulled a 10x to 50x return. The fact that Google search volume for altcoins has dropped to a yearly low of 4 out of 100 suggests we're in a deep capitulation phase when investors give up and sell out of despair. Even strong projects like to take hits during these phases. We recently saw Solana down 67% in a crash that seemed fatal at the moment, but only for it to remain a top contender in network activity. The market ruthlessly tests your conviction before rewarding you. Guys, I am not going to give up before a potential 10 to 50x increase. What I do is I continue to accumulate despite everything going on in the market and despite all of the negative emotion right now. And if you're willing to do the same, you can do so in a couple places. On the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet, or of course on centralized exchanges as well. You guys get links for both of these down in the description below. But of course, don't forget to accumulate and diversify in your portfolio with layer 2 blockchains like Bitcoin Hyper. Now, I do own Bitcoin Hyper. I'm excited about it. One of the things that I think is most amazing is these guys have been able to raise almost $32 million as the entire market has shown nothing but fear for the better half of a year. But they're building a layer 2 for Bitcoin, okay? And Bitcoin will continue to be resilient. Bitcoin continues to dominate the headlines like that article said. And if you've got a layer 2, the fastest layer 2 out there, it is really going to be, it's going to be able to bring utility back to Bitcoin. You're going to be able to transact with near instant finality instead of waiting an hour. It's going to be cheaper, and all of this is going to allow for Bitcoin to be used in ways that it cannot currently be used. So with that, if you guys are interested in accumulating or checking out any of those links, make sure to look down in the description. Let me know what you guys end up thinking, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.